This video here, I'm going to show you how to fill nail holes and bolt, holes in the walls from bolt, like where you mount your TV. That's what this is from. First, to take again the 5-way knife, 5-way, see what it looks like. And what I'm using is painter's putty because these walls are going to be eggshell. If I was using a flat, I could still use this painter's putty. I'd have to put a primer over it though. But anyway, so what you do, you take it, you push it in the hole and you twist. You take a knife and knife it off. Again, you put it in the hole, push it in, twist, knife it off. And you may have to do it a couple of times. Do it until it doesn't have any kind of crevice in it. Go. These are just nail holes here. When you fill nail holes like that, you don't have to texture. When they're real small, you can just take it like so and do it with your finger, fill it with your finger, wipe it off with your finger. And you don't have to texture. And in fact, none of this will have to texture because there's no mess. Like how some people take a putty knife and they'll take patching compound and put it on there. No, don't do that with nail holes. You just put it in there, fill it, and wipe it off. And again, you don't have to texture or anything. That's how you fill nail holes.